Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to update the software on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Now, tap on Check for Update. Your phone will check if a new software update is available. If an update is available, you'll see the update information on the screen. Before downloading it, make sure your phone is connected to a stable internet connection and has enough battery. Then, tap Download and wait for the update to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, follow the instructions on the screen to install the update. Your phone may restart during the installation, which is completely normal. After the installation is finished, your Samsung Galaxy A07 will be updated. If no update is available, it means your phone is already running the latest software. And that's how you can update the software on your Samsung Galaxy A07. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.